Okay, this tutorial will show you how to install JavaFX Scene Builder. We are going to install SceneBuilder 11 for Java 11. Okay, I agree, install. This is actually pretty straightforward, okay? Okay, finish. So let's start with NetBeans options, Java, JavaFX. Actually, I have already old version 8.5. So let me browse through SceneBuilder 11. It should be on the C drive, program files, directory called SceneBuilder. That's it. Okay. So now SceneBuilder is integrated with NetBeans. So let's create a new project. JavaFX main class. I will call it as FX main. Again, you need to load JavaFX 11 library. Library is here. And then add four of them: base, control, FXML, and graphics. Again, open. Okay. Next step, properties. We go to deployment. We convert package name FXMain. Okay, so that we can convert Java application project to JavaFX application project. Properties, run, copy, paste your module paths and add modules. Okay. You can compile. You can run your project. It's working, okay? This is an easy step. The question is, how do we use FXML with FX main class? So next, yes, Java controller, no CSS. So these three projects, except this one, these three files are supposed to be integrated each other. But if you look at the example here, it's not. Package name, FXML controller. So FXML is linked with the controller. So let's make a minor change here. I will say stage. actual implementation for GUI, I will remove it because that's one of the reasons we use SceneBuilder. Remove imported package. Remove that too. Stage. Stage. I will remove set title as well. We can make a decision for width and height. So remove. So minimum. Okay, minimum coding. So let's say parents root. FXML loader. Load. Again, get class. We are going to get resource. Happen to be fxml.fxml. So let's put it, keep it as a very generic, okay? So that we don't have to change anything. One more thing here, we need to import panels class, and we are using Java IO. So let me just say through IO exception. So these are minimum codings, okay? So let's have FXML design. Okay, anchor pane is already there, so let me add one button, then one label. Very simple demonstration. So this one btn OK, handle btn OK. Seems like there's a typo. Okay, label lbl OK. Save it, then make controller. So even handler here, lbl OK, set text. So when we click OK button, it's going to print OK on this label. So when you use a clean and build, it's going to give you a bit of a warning. Don't worry about it, everything is okay. Otherwise, you can compile one by one if you don't like to see the warnings, and then run it. Okay. So this time, let's look at whether there's something we can do about this part. FX main will be same, so go to Tools, Templates. If you go down JavaFX FX main class, here this is what we have at the beginning. So this is the template we can replace. So if you go back here, this is going to be very generic. So copy, replace it here. Go back, replace import statement, and here paste it carefully. That's it. Save the template, close it. Let's move back to FX main, remove it. Let's see how it works. So let's create JavaFX main class. I'll change to FX main. Finish. this is exactly what we need, isn't it? So there's nothing to change. Same thing, we just compile, launch our applications. It does exactly the same thing. Okay, that's how we minimize the codings. Here, this is not necessary, so we can remove. That's all we need, 3 of them, FXML, FXML controller, and main class. That's all. Thank you.